Don't forget the 303 your boat now.
From high atop the Howard Stern building in Midtown Manhattan, no more bullshit. This is a Howard 100 News Brief.
Your boat too could be 303, just like this at Chris's Auto Spa. Don't forget the 303 your boat now at Chris's Auto Spa.
Debbie the Pet Lady is back. She left the show recently, and in the process, blocked any and all phone calls and emails.
Don't forget the 303 your boat now at Chris's Auto Spa.
Making Debbie realize that people out there really do like her, especially Howard. But for whatever reason, Debbie just doesn't see it. But he does like you, Debbie.
Don't forget the 303 your boat now at Chris's Auto Spa.
Saying it to you, he's not going to say it if he doesn't mean it. And finally, we close this chapter by taking 2 steps forward and 18 steps backwards. Well, listen, I'm very happy to hear from you again.
Don't forget the 303 your boat now at Chris's Auto Spa.